What's up? What's up? Welcome to the Boss Ladies Live radio show. Speaker Studios, sponsored by Boss Ladies Inc.
He would hurt me on purpose. I would put that pain in my music. He would tell me, good, now you got something to sing about. I didn't understand that pain. I confused that pain for love. This shit is so real. You live and you learn, and then you learn to keep living, right? One thing I learned for a fact was karma is a bitch. Never thought I had to be faced with it. Never thought I had to deal. Now I gotta give you my story. You want to live real. If it catch you by surprise, no need to cry your eyes. In this life I've cried enough for all of us. Now I'm using all this hurt to speak loud. Understand, pain used to be my first name. I was a fool to call it out when I was in it. What kind of love will strike it down with his hands? The same hands that will pray for you, say I do all of them. Well, this is my story, and this is my life. I don't have to take revenge. I can just sit back, watch karma ruin your life. And it's coming for you. Get ready, 'cause it's coming for you. It's coming for you. It's coming for you. Get ready, it's coming for you. Payback is coming for you. This is my story, my life. I hope you got it right with the new love in your life. Maybe it's too late.
Yeah, that old I Am Jackie beat called Karma. Check it out, y'all. Love Me by Teflon Tony. Check it out now.
I believe in you. I had to learn to love me, love me, love me. I had to learn to love me, love me, love me. I had to learn to love me, love me, love me. I had to learn to love me, love me, love me, love me. That's what I had to do. Love me. And you got to love you. Love me. What don't I love about me? What's not to love about me? Not as handsome as LL. Question appearance proudly. Heartbeat steadily sounding. Taxing, scratching, and scrounging. Practicing to accept the pounding. Why them haters surround me? Do I really look that bad? Cause my eyes carry fat bags. From hustling, trying to stack cash. Or to just play and grab that. Why I don't have a six pack? Some say because of genetics. Self-hatred ancient like relics. No medics, no anesthetics. A fetish for no acceptance. No patience, piss in my presence. A matrix of mixing elements. Left with the twisted questions of why. Do I feel unloved? Does it come from a lack of loving? Why when I look in the mirror naked? Why I feel like my sight is suffering? Struggle to meet my struggling. Why my thoughts I ain't loving them? Wrong and right trying to juggle them. Flex my muscles to muscle and anger is all I see, home. Much I can't speak on. Why don't love me, mom and pops and do wrong and they freak on. Love me. That's what I had to do. Love me. And you got to love you. Love me. That's what I had to do. Love me. You got to love you. Wondering is it me though? Try searching for a hero, thinking that I ain't good enough to be the one to lead those so-called people, so they can soar above eagles. A needle stuck in my ego, need a credo to believe more. Lyrical Devo, mean amigo with vocal sequels, tote evil. evil like boll weevil, searching for dirt when I speed load. Rapping beats round my libido like burritos and let my anger increase flows. In prison whites or street clothes, rhythmic high jumper show 'em that I can reach more and see more than just club hopping and hustling kilos. Gripping the mic like it was so precious and I was Smeagol. Kick down the door to get a better view than just a peephole. Letting go like I'm a wild animal that's feral. Wouldn't you be crazy to spend 20 years of free flows? Soul with no repo cause my world's beyond remote. I'm loving me so I don't need no requote or a revoke. Love me. That's what I had to do. Love me. And you got to love you. Love me. That's what I had to do. Love me. You got to love you. Yourself. Yeah. That's what you got. You got to learn to love yourself. Got to learn to love yourself. Yeah, you got to learn to love yourself. Yeah.
La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. On the road to recovery, finding my way back to me. How many casualties did I leave behind? How many hearts broken would I find? Do I dare to look back and feel sorry? Or any do rhyme or reason or wonder why? On the road back to recovery, finding my way back to me.
Yeah, if you haven't gotten that Spreaker app, what are you waiting for? www.spreaker.com. Boss Ladies Inc. in the search box. Click comment section. Click chat section. And check on in to the Boss Ladies Live radio show. Just go Google Play or Apple Music, whichever you prefer. You can do all that right now. Click right down. Slide right down.
Find my way back to me. On the road to recovery. Find my way back to me. On the road to recovery. To change my wardrobe, or do my hair.
I come to terms with the fact that my future might not involve people I'm around now. I get tired of doing this every time I try something new. Sometimes I had to walk away from what I want to find what I deserve. I made mistakes in my life. I've learned from my bad choices. I'll know better next time. Don't mention a person's past mistakes when they're trying to change. That's like throwing rocks at them while they're struggling to climb a mountain. Let's talk about that. It's going to be Stay Healthy series this week on the Boss Ladies Live radio show. What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Boss Ladies Live radio show. I forgot to turn my DJ off. He be sometimes, the DSky be scratching and she can't stop scratching. She be just ready to play music. So let's get on to the topic, you know what I'm saying? This series is a special one because I've been thinking, and I can't get this off my mind, that maybe one of the problems that we have in our life in every area is because we don't get a good night's rest. We don't get a good night's rest. As you know, if you're not getting a good night's rest, that's serious because that means that you're not getting oxygen to your brain. And as I studied some things and looked through a few articles just to fit this for this particular series, because I'm real particular about what I study, what I look at. I want to make sure that it's understood to the basic form as possible, because I don't know who's listening out there that need assistance with the snoring. And I always wonder why people snore. Me, myself, have been told that I snore, okay, by family and things like that, or the relationships I've been with. And then, yeah, you're a little snory, because I travel a lot and we sleep, in business, we travel together. We sometimes go to the hotel and we have to book rooms and share. And so the snoring is an issue because it's loud and it's annoying, especially if you can't sleep with a lot of